After 9/11, the Palestinians were oppressed. The Israeli government used the word Islamic terrorism. Palestinians being deprived of their homes, their rights, their human rights, their democratic rights. And so we reiterate again that there is no solution but a two-state solution in Palestine. East Jerusalem must become the capital of for the Palestinian people. And the Golan Heights must be returned as the 1967 borders, which all the international conventions, the United Nations resolutions say so. Similarly, I feel that in Kashmir, the people of Kashmir again have not been given their right to self-determination, as was guaranteed by the world community in 1948 through a UN resolution.